Hello kids, let us learn some 2D shapes. This is black color. It is folded corner rectangle. Oval. Heart. It is crescent moon. It is rhombus or diamond. It is up-down arrow. Now let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is yellow color. It is orange color. It is pink color. It is blue color. Green color. Red color. Now let us color the shapes. It is yellow color. It is folded corner rectangle. It is orange color. It is oval. It is pink color. It is heart. It is blue color. It is green color. It is rhombus or diamond. It is red color. Up-down arrow. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. It is folded corner rectangle, yellow color, oval orange color, heart pink color, crescent moon blue color, rhombus or diamond green color, up-down arrow red color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.